This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Rachael Smith. Historic landmark resort hotel building near the shore of Clear Lake with panoramic views on 7+ acres/9 parcels. 68,000 square feet. A partially remodeled and restored castle, with a grand lobby, 4 floors, 7 conference/classrooms, 4 commercial bathrooms, all fully remodeled, commercial kitchen with so much potential once remodeled, 66 additional bedrooms each with bathrooms and closets, beautiful spiral staircase leads you to 2 large tower offices and so much more. A unique investment opportunity full of possibilities including educational or research facility, retreat center, corporate campus and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachael Smith at 707-596-2742.